Video will outline step by step how to change your profile picture on the Xbox app for use on Xbox Live. It will walk you through the Xbox app, even adding your custom images as a profile picture. Profile picture will need to be 1080 by 1080 pixels. You can change your Xbox gamer picture through the Xbox app on your computer device or from the phone. How the recent update on Windows 10, the creator update was for the improvements to the Windows 10 for both gamers and other users. To change the gamer pic, you will first need to open the Xbox app from the start menu on your device. Once it's open, you will come to the activity feed as shown here. When you come to this page, you will need to click onto gamer pic at the top left hand corner as shown. Once you click onto the profile picture, it will take you to the profile page where you can see your profile and activity and friends. You will also be able to see bunch of other options like edit profile, appear online, offline. You will need to select into the customize. Once you click on to customize, it will allow you to edit a field on your profile including the avatar and gamer pic. For help finding the customize button, please take a look at the screen. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and like the video. When you have clicked onto the customize, you will then need to select the option to switch to the gamer pic on your phone. Before you can change your gamer pic, this option is underneath your avatar as shown. Once this option is selected, it will display your gamer pic. At first, it will be default one which Xbox has uploaded themselves, or it may be the random one from their bunch of pics. To change them, you will need to hover into the center of gamer pic, so it says change gamer pic. Once you click onto the edit, then a pop-up window will appear within the app. This is where you can select on the default image as a profile pic, or you can upload your own. The option to upload your own will display at the top of pop-up window as seen in the image. Once you click on this option, then you can select an image to upload as your gamer pic. If you don't have a gamer pic, make sure to watch this video to get an amazing gamer pic within a seconds.